Hey everyone! Did you know you can track your steps on iPhone without needing an Apple Watch? Today I'll show you how to do it. First, open the Health app on your iPhone and it's already pre-installed. At the bottom, tap Browse. Now select Activity. Then tap on Steps. Here you'll see a graph showing how many steps you've taken today, this week, month, or year. Your iPhone automatically uses a built-in motion sensors to count steps as long as you carry it with you while walking. If you want a quicker access, scroll down and tap Add to Favorites so your step count shows up on your Health app home screen. And that's it. You can now track your steps using just your iPhone. No Apple Watch needed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.